Hey there, and welcome to another video of Happy Baby. Today we will discuss the symptoms of early pregnancy and the first signs that you might be pregnant. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on amazing content like this. Let's get started. Pregnancy symptoms differ from woman to woman and pregnancy to pregnancy. However, guest posting one of the most significant pregnancy symptoms is a delayed or missed menstrual cycle. Understanding the signs and symptoms of pregnancy is important because each symptom may be related to something other than pregnancy. Some women experience signs or symptoms of pregnancy within a week of conception. For other women, pregnancy symptoms may develop over a few weeks or may not be present at all. One of the biggest questions in your life will be, "Honey, am I pregnant?" Some women claim that they just know when they are, and others don't know until a doctor confirms that with a blood test. If you are unsure whether you are pregnant or not, some of the first and early pregnancy signs and pregnancy symptoms might help answer your question of getting pregnant. Blame it on yesterday's seafood, or are you catching a cold? Or could it be that you're pregnant? How can you tell the difference? This video will hopefully lead you on the right path. We will discuss early pregnancy symptoms and signs that you should keep an eye out for. One of the most telling signs of being pregnant is a delay in your menstruation. If you miss your period and you have been intimate with someone, then you should take a pregnancy test kit. Keep in mind that many women still get bleeding, but it will be lighter and for shorter days. Besides missing your period, you could also experience some spotting or light bleeding. This normally takes place very early in the pregnancy stages, somewhere between 6 to 12 days after the conception. This happens when the tiny embryo clings itself onto the wall of your uterus. Once you are pregnant, there will be changes to your body. One significant change is the swelling of breasts. Women tend to get swollen breasts as early as 1 to 2 weeks into the pregnancy. The breasts are sore and tender and can be a discomforting experience for women. Besides breast tenderness, women could also experience the darkening of the areolas. The nipples tend to grow darker when you are pregnant. One thing that sends shivers down the spine of soon-to-be mothers is the morning sickness or nausea. Nausea is experienced by many pregnant women anytime between weeks 2 to 8 after conception. And even though it's called morning sickness, you can get it at any time of the day. You might not have to throw up, but the queasy feeling is still there. The good news is it will not last forever. Some women are very fortunate in the sense that they never have to go through morning sickness. However, there are some unlucky women who go through morning sickness right through their pregnancy. When you're pregnant, you could experience extreme tiredness or fatigue. This can keep you in bed as you're often sleepy or just don't want to get out of bed. This is normal for an expecting woman. And if that's not hard enough, another symptom of pregnancy is the frequent urination. You may feel like you just want to sit near the bathroom all day, or that your bladder just can't hold it in any longer. Pregnant women have to put up with this and make extra trips to the bathroom every day. Expecting women also experience aches, backaches, and headaches. Early in the pregnancy, you may experience lower backaches. Backaches are also common throughout the entire time you are pregnant. Your body has to cope with a growing belly, and this can strain your back. Thus, you may experience a dull backache all this time. As your body changes, so do your hormones. As a result of this, you may find yourself experiencing headaches early in your pregnancy. Early pregnancy symptoms of low back pain can be a real pain, literally. This low back pain is caused by several factors. First is your weight change. You gain some weight because you are pregnant, your uterus gets bigger, and your baby grows larger every week. Next, your posture and torso are thrown out of alignment. This weight is mostly in the front of your torso, which pulls on your back. It is like wearing a backpack on your front instead of your back. This changes your posture and puts a strain on your back. Lack of your typical night's sleep is another factor. You may be laying on your side and trying to get comfortable. The weight of your womb is pulling on your back muscles as you lay there too. Get a maternity pillow as that can help make you more comfortable. Missed period. A missed period sets in very early and is an indication of pregnancy. You cannot rely upon it, as other factors too cause missed periods. These are illness, stress, weight fluctuations, and discontinuing the consumption of oral contraceptive pills. Nausea and vomiting. Another early pregnancy symptom is morning sickness, which most pregnant women have to bear. Morning sickness comprises of nausea and vomiting, and it is quite an unpleasant experience. Morning sickness can occur at any time of the day. These symptoms appear anywhere from 2 to 10 weeks after conception. Constipation sometimes means you might be experiencing one of the first signs of pregnancy. And of course, who can forget the food cravings of the pregnant woman? Of course, it might not be a longing to eat odd combinations of food like sardines and chips, but many pregnant women feel a craving for some types of food. This craving could also last for the entire pregnancy. The above are the most common symptoms that a woman may go through in the early stages, and some till the end of pregnancy. Should you experience these symptoms, get a pregnancy test kit or meet with your doctor. Do remember that the symptoms might vary, as everyone is unique and that each woman is different. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Thumbs up if you did. I'll be uploading more videos like this, so stay subscribed for the latest videos. Have a nice day, and I will see you.